Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I hope you guys are having an awesome riding season so far. You know, I always like to learn about some of the latest and greatest products that are out there in the industry, and of course we love to feature them on the channel. On today's video, we're gonna cover off the new wheels from EzWheelz. These are super cool, really unique product, and I think you guys will be interested to see how they work. Let's get into it.
Sled Addicts is brought to you by Team Vincent Motorsports, Bergstrom Carbines, Ledger Performance, Westway Motel, Studboy Studs, and Radio World.
So at the Toronto International Snowmobile and ATV show earlier this fall, I had a chance to spend some time with my buddy Steve from Heads Up, and he was actually unloading his sled off the trailer and getting it into the arena, which is a pretty tough thing to do considering at that time of the year there's no snow on the ground, and so we're always shuffling things around. You got to get dollies, and it's really tough to just move sleds around for longer distances. Now he put these EzWheelz on in like 2 seconds in his trailer, and I didn't really know about these at first, and I couldn't believe how easy they were to actually put on, and then how well they actually work when you get your sled up on them and you can steer it and drive it right down the pavement and into the arena. So I'm gonna show you guys just a quick demo of how these work. But before we do that, it's a super easy construction. I think this is their new one, which is a 9-inch wheel. And it's just got a really simple dial on the outside. And all that does is it spins the end of this aluminum. It's basically like a nut that will slide onto the inside of your ski. So you put that on the inside of your ski, you just simply wind this and tighten it up, and then that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna show you guys just a quick install of how to put these on and how they work, and I'm gonna get my sled off the trailer into the garage. Let's take a look. All right guys, so I've got the trailer here, and I wanted to show you guys just how easy these EzWheelz actually do work. Just like the name says, they're super simple. So they're really meant for when you're getting the sleds off the trailer into the garage, and then you want to be able to get it back from in the garage onto the trailer. That's really what these are meant for. And so I'm going to show you just how easy they are to install, and then we'll take the sled off, get it into the garage, and then we'll put it back on. All right, so here we go. Super easy. All you're going to do is you're going to turn the ski to the outside. You're going to put this over top and get it started to thread on. Just like that. Tighten it up. And you're done. Now we're going to do the next side. Same thing. Turn the ski to the outside. Thread it on, tighten it up, and we're done. All right, let's fire up the sled. We're gonna get it off the trailer. The one thing that I do love is most of the trailers have a big gap there. Sometimes carbines will get stuck on them. Not with these. So as you can see, it was pretty effortless, and I'll show you just how nicely the ski sits right off the concrete with the wheel on there. Same thing on this side. No messing around. It sits perfectly, probably about 3 inches off the ground, and just allows you to easily steer it on any concrete surface. Probably any dirt surface, I would imagine as well, just because that is a pretty good size wheel. All right, I'm gonna spin this thing around and we'll drive it back up in the trailer. Take them off with the same process. Just turn the skis and undo the knob, and it's as easy as that. All right, everyone, that takes care of the EzWheelz install and just showing you guys how they work. They really, truly are that simple to use. And just like the name says, they are easy. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.